Okay, it's August 2nd. It's a Friday. It's around 5:30 when I'm doing this. Back this up a little bit to the earlier this afternoon, where you can see all these 90s in Delaware, Jersey, southeastern PA, a little bit in south central PA. You can see temperatures out in western PA. We're in the 70s to low 80s. And then you can just about tell where the thunderstorms are at. You can see how they just kind of carve their way through here and lower the temperatures because of the rain. And this was around 3 in the afternoon, and the storms were just starting to move east. You can see how they pretty much, you can see like the frontal line here, 90s and mid 90s in Philadelphia, Jersey, Delaware. But you can see right behind it, it's dropped into the 70s. But it starts to warm up a little bit. But here's 8 o'clock this evening as the thunderstorms are clearing the coast. All temperatures have dropped into the lower 70s, and a couple 80s to the south, but the lower 70s for the most part. As we get towards the morning hours, this is around 6 a.m. Temperatures across the state, upper 60s to lower 70s. Only in Philadelphia and certain parts of Jersey are you hanging on to those mid 70s. Then as we move it during the day on Saturday, the heat comes back. So do the thunderstorms. Here's your line right here. This is around 4 in the afternoon. Again, 90s in the I-95 corridor, Jersey, Delaware included. 80s here in Berks and Allentown and Lancaster. But these thunderstorms will be moving through. This takes you to around 5. You can see here's 90s, here's low 60s behind it. It brings cool air down from the atmosphere as it moves through. And this takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. You can see temperatures have dropped into the 70s and hanging on in the 80s, basically in New Jersey, the northern part into New York City there. But this will all sweep through as you go through the night, Saturday night into Sunday morning. This takes you to around 10 o'clock. And as you can see here, temperatures have all dropped into the 70s everywhere. And then as you go through the day on Sunday, it's kind of like a repeat. You got warm, hot air in front of it. You don't see the 90s as prevalent. Temperatures are in the upper 80s on Sunday. And then as the thunderstorms kind of develop again in the afternoon, this is 8 o'clock in the evening, you can see they push the temperatures back down. All right, so where is all the precipitation? Okay, this is your simulated radar Friday afternoon. Thunderstorms had cleared where I'm at. There was some huge downpours, some big vivid lightning, not as much wind, but it came sweeping through. And you can see it's now sweeping off to the east. This is around 6 o'clock. You can see it's clearing Philadelphia. It's going into Jersey. And there's a few thunderstorms left behind it that could sweep through in some areas. But as you can see here, it's around 7 o'clock. It's in Jersey. 8 o'clock, it's getting to the coast. And then it's off the coast by 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Only a few showers and thunderstorms left behind. As we get into Saturday, we kind of have the same thing starting up again. Here's 4 in the afternoon, some thunderstorms in central PA. They kind of come east, not as prevalent as they were today. But there are thunderstorms, as you can see. There's some scattered small ones to the west, and then northeastern PA and in southeastern PA. Thunderstorms are pulling through around 7 o'clock. They'll get into Jersey and Delaware once again, and then clear the coast overnight. And as we get into Sunday, um, those thunderstorms will pop up in eastern PA and Jersey and Delaware as you go through the late afternoon hours. There's around 8 o'clock, and you can see them go off the coast, and then they clear out overnight Sunday into Monday. All right, everybody, take care. Got a trivia question for you. See the first one that posts underneath the video, the right answer. What is hoar frost? That's all I'm going to tell you. Hoar frost. All right, we'll see who wins. I'll mention their name on the air if they get it right.